Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a background on CapCut PC on your videos. So select a video that you want to remove the background to. I'm just going to select, let's see, I'll just select the usual here. Remove background and then select auto removal, and then you can adjust these here when it's done being removed. So you can feather it out a little bit more, and you can kind of like adjust like how much you want to remove, I guess. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.